Everyone have celebrate Halloween. All of people there have celebrate Halloween. Because I said that there is a Satan in Halloween in October. Because I don't celebrate Halloween. Me, I respect Halloween. Oh, because I urge to the Miss Earth 2024 candidates, do not wear costume in Halloween. I criticize Halloween. Why I criticize Halloween? Oh, Halloween is a demonic. It's a Satan. It's a made by Israel. And a Zionist by a devil. In Iran, they ban Halloween. Malaysia, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, even Iraq, they ban Halloween. Pakistan, they ban Halloween. In Afghanistan, under by Taliban, they ban Halloween. So Philippines and Cuba, they should ban na Halloween. They're a Christian nation. In Cuba, there's lots of Catholic. In the Philippines, they have lots of Catholic. Oh, they should ban Halloween. Oh, what if Rodante Marcoleta have filed a resolution in the Senate? Oh, to ban Halloween in all religions like Iglesia ni Cristo. Oh, Catholics, Islam, and Jews. Oh, me, I'm a Jewish Iglesia ni Cristo. I'm not Islam, but I'm a former Shia Islam. Oh, I am a Jewish Iglesia ni Cristo. Oh, and I'm not celebrating Halloween. Oh, nobody celebrate Halloween. You know, guys, Alfred Eslabra never celebrate Halloween because he's Iglesia ni Cristo. Oh, because his mother advised him not to celebrate Halloween. Oh, Ate Lot is a Iglesia ni Cristo. She never celebrate Halloween. Oh, Halloween should not be celebrated. It has not. Do not respect Halloween. All right. Because the 700 Club Asia says to me, oh, do not celebrate Halloween. Oh, Halloween is evil. They're just like Jordan Bunagan. They're just like Wawel Romero. They just like Paulo Cruzada. Halloween should not be celebrated. Oh, Lawrence Villawan doesn't like Halloween. Even Paula Nunez. Oh, I praise Paula Nunez and Lawrence Villawan. They love Christmas. Christmas is better than Halloween. Me, I love Christmas. I love celebration of Christmas like Santa. And you know, I just said before that Jesus was born in Bethlehem, in Palestine. Oh, this is what I say to Kuya Ver. Oh, Halloween should not be celebrated. It's a demonic. It's a founder by European Union and Israel. That Halloween, there is a Satan. I advise those kids in Caloocan Evangelical School, it's okay to celebrate UN Day, but do not celebrate Halloween. I advise to CDIFI, ha, if you want more celebrate Halloween, I will shoot you a pellet gun, all of teachers and staff. Do not celebrate that fucking Halloween. You understand, CDIFI? It's okay you bring back the UN Day, or since years of David Gill, or since years of Ralph Guevara, Luis Cabales. We have UN Day in CDIFI. I was there in Caloocan Evangelical School. I have a UN Day. There is UN Day.